Who the hell watches only unboxing videos these days? Some do. Okay. I hope they sent the right processor. Actually, it was already visible from the top. Wow, this should have been bigger. 7nm what? I paid more for it here. Why not give me 70 meter? A spongy sponge thingy? Where manuals can also go and fit. A box inside a box. And then an empty box. There's a CPU fan inside the box's box with thermal paste lying steadily and calmly on the bottom. AMD's stock fan always comes with noob-proof thermal paste already applied to them. The cable which powers your fan. Many fins for heat dissipation. The lock to lock the CPU on the motherboard. Oh, and what are these? 2 more cables. What do they do? They ask you to subscribe to the channel so that in the next video you know what they do. Now actually one of them is a RGB header cable if your motherboard has those pins, and if not then you have the USB pin cable. Both these cables can help you control your RGB lighting on the CPU fan if you use a compatible software with it. Oh wow, now I'm going to show you the unboxing. Nah, just kidding. Let's have a look at that beautiful processor again. It doesn't even know how hard was it for me to get my hands on it. Thanks to Mech Peripherals for letting me buy it at a fair price. So shiny, so pinsy, so beautiful. Technology, what would we do without you? Diffused in USA, diffused in Taiwan, made in China. So AMD made sure to give proper credit. You get a sticker for your shiny new case or old case, it really doesn't matter. Reviews are coming up soon, make sure to subscribe with the bell icon to get notified for more similar content. That's all for today, MewBot out.